Resin pouring, unveiling the artistic process. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and creative topic, resin pouring. This is a unique form of art that has become quite popular. So, let's dive in and understand what resin pouring is all about. Resin pouring is an art technique that involves mixing and pouring a liquid called epoxy resin onto a surface to create designs. The resin is a clear, viscous substance that hardens into a solid, transparent layer. Artists often mix it with colors and other materials to create beautiful, intricate patterns. This art form is known for its glossy finish and depth of the artwork. The process of resin pouring involves several steps. 1. Preparation. Choosing a surface, usually a canvas or a wooden board. 2. Mixing. Combining resin with a hardener in the right proportion. 3. Coloring. Adding colors or other materials like glitter or stones. 4. Pouring. Carefully pouring the resin onto the surface. 5. Manipulation. Using tools to spread and blend the resin. 6. Curing. Allowing the resin to dry and harden, which can take several hours. Resin pouring is popular for several reasons. Creativity. It allows for immense creativity and uniqueness in each piece. Versatility. Resin can be used on various surfaces and with different materials. Finish. The final product has a stunning glossy finish that is very appealing. Therapeutic. Many find the process of pouring and manipulating resin to be relaxing and therapeutic. If you're new to resin pouring, here are some tips. Safety first. Always use gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. Start small. Begin with smaller projects to understand the process. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and patterns. Patience is key. Allow ample time for the resin to cure properly. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what resin pouring is and why it's such a fascinating art form. Remember, language learning can be fun and engaging, especially when we explore diverse topics like this. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the process of learning. See you in our next video.